How are we all doing? Oh, fuck. So obviously, we got an event going on. I don't even know what this is called. What is this called? The Moonlight Burrow. I knew that.
That's cap. I accuse you of capping.
But basically, I set up a stupid challenge for myself. What else is new? We are going to try, if I can get the timing down, to blind the killer with the Christmas version of the Firecracker, then search a chest, get a real Firecracker, and blind him another time. I know, it's amazing. It's a crazy idea. So, let's hop into some games. We got ourselves a game, dude. Alright, so I don't want to be the first found, but I wouldn't be opposed. Hello? First found, blinded.
No.
I don't even care anymore. The challenge is already ruined because I messed up the blind. I just realized that. I literally can't do it now because, oh god. He doesn't double back here. He does double back there. I'm a gamer. Better. Stronger, smarter. Whoa. Oh! He's insane. He's insane.
2 seconds later.
Okay. That felt a little bit personal, didn't it? Okay. Now we're gaming. Noah. We love Noah. We got ourselves a game. This is literally my last try. Try and do this challenge.
I'm kind of retarded.
Oh, shit.
Croissant.
So you go.
Whopper.
Dude. Because if I can't find another Firecracker, I'll just try to get a sabotage and get someone saved that way.
I'm dying.
Alright, I'm gonna get this save right here. Whoa!
I need healing.
Kaboom.
Let's go! Alright, that's one save, I thought I fucked that up. Please. Firecracker in the basement. It wasn't meant to be, dude. Well, I'm pretty sure all the chests are gone now, so we're just gonna try to sabo a hook and save someone that way. Pebble save the day, there's no way.
You what?
Oh, just let me go by, Damn it. Alright, so now we're running this way, look, we're running this way. Whoa. Every time I scream, it scares the shit out of me. Morgan! Can I get this? Get it. Chilling. I'm really out here trying to buy time. Yeah, throw that pallet. Get over it. This is good. If she dies right by this hook, he'll think he can go here. Fuck! Where's the hook nearby? Is it this one? No, it is this one. We stabbed it. Oh, wiggle off. Please wiggle off.
I'm back.
Let's go. All I have to do is escape. We're counting that. Shut up. Uh-oh. He's waiting. Why are you waiting? Stop it. You stop it.
Blocked and reported.
We have ourselves a Mexican standoff, gentlemen. Here we go. Alright. Find hatch. Please. Please. How are we looping this? I'm finding the hatch, dude. I'm gonna find it. We're going back downstairs. Get lucky. Come on. Get lucky just once.
Oh, hi, Mark.
There it is, baby. Easy. So it's not originally what we set out to do, but we're just gonna act like that was the plan the entire time, because I don't have another game in me. That's it. You gotta improvise when the game doesn't want it to happen. But anyway, if you liked it, feel free to subscribe, and if you don't, I do not care. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. What is he doing? What? Stop. What is this? Oh my god, stop it right now, Blaine. I should be dead. I can't not put that in the video.